In this demo, we'll show you how to set up mobile cloud phones to manage multiple WhatsApp accounts. Let's get started. Welcome to your Multilogin dashboard. This is your starting point for managing all your cloud phones and browser profiles. In Multilogin, you get access to cloud phones and browser profiles. In this demo, we'll use cloud phones to install WhatsApp. Hit the Create button to start setting up your first device. Choose how many profiles you need and give them a name. Each profile works as its own separate phone, so every WhatsApp account stays on its own, with no overlap. Select your use case to attach a platform icon for easier identification. Then add tags and notes to stay organized across teams, campaigns, or regions. Next, adding a proxy is an important step. Proxies let you connect from different countries and look like a local user. Select Multilogin as your proxy provider. Pick a location from our list of more than 150 options. That way, each WhatsApp account can connect from a different city and use a local IP address. For safer account management, use one device per account. Then, pick a device brand and model from the list so the account looks like it's running on a normal phone. Click Create to finish the setup and save your device. Your device is ready. Click the play icon to launch your cloud phone. Now you have a working Android screen right in front of you. Use your mouse to tap, scroll, and open apps just like on a real phone. Use the sidebar for quick actions. You can change the screen view, upload files and images, use the camera for verification, and find more options in the extra menu. Now it's time to install your apps. Click the Apps icon to open the built-in App Store. Find WhatsApp and download it. You can also install other messaging apps like Telegram and Facebook Messenger. After installation, the app will show up in your menu. Open it by clicking the icon. Log into WhatsApp and start managing all your accounts from one place. No need to switch between phones or devices. With cloud phones, you can manage multiple WhatsApp accounts from one place. Check the link in the description to learn more about Multilogin.